Hello students. In the last video we have discussed some examples regarding to the how to find out the ratio, how to find out the percentage, and if the ratio is given, then how to convert that ratio into the percentage. Those all other things we have discussed with some different type of examples. In those previous examples, maybe you got idea if the ratio is given, then how to convert into that ratio, how to convert into the percentage. If the percentage is given, then how to convert or how to find out the ratio. In the last example we have seen that how to find out the per head cost. Different types of situations were there in the last example. Now today I am here with a little different point, that is also very important point. And in many times before that also I told you, this lesson is very important for us, not only for 8th standard. This lesson is very important for 9th and 10th standard also, and in our daily life also. In our daily life also we are going to use different types of concepts. Those concepts we are going to discuss in this lesson. Today the different concept is there front of you. The title of the concept is written front of you. Listen and try to understand. Read it carefully. Finding the increase or decrease percentage means, suppose one of the other cost is there, one of the other price is there, and in that price suppose one of the other percentage increase or decreased, then how to find out the original cost of that respective thing, that we are going to discuss today. Here I have written one example. That example will help you. Here I have written actually two examples. One example is regarding to the increase and one example is regarding to the decrease. Now the example is front of you, that is regarding to the increase, and the next example will be regarding to the decrease. Means, suppose one of the other thing is there. Here I have taken scooter. Okay, here scooter's worth or scooter price is increased. Then what is the next or new price, that we are going to find out. If the scooter price is going to decrease, then what will be the new price, that also we are going to discuss in the today's video. Okay, then how to find out that increased value, decreased value by using the percentage which is given in the example, that I am going to explain. Listen and try to understand. First of all, the first example I will read front of you. The price of scooter was rupees 34,000. The price of scooter was rupees 34,000 last year. It has increased by 20% this year. It has increased by 20% this year. What is the price now, or what is the new price? Means, what is the condition? Here there is one scooter and the scooter's price or scooter's worth is 34,000, and that scooter's price 34,000, that price is given, which is explained here in the last year. Means, last year that scooter's price was 34,000, but this year that price increased by 20%. Then what is the new price, that we are going to find out. Listen and try to understand. Look here, first of all we will write what is given, solution, and given. What is given? The price of the scooter. The price of scooter is equal to rupees 34,000. Price of the scooter is what? Rupees 34,000. It has increased by 20%. It has increased by 20%. Okay, now the original price is given over here, then we can find easily 20% increased means what is increased value. Okay, how to find out? Look here, 20% increased in 34,000 means what? Look here, that is equal to 20%. 20% means what? 20 divided by 100. Do you agree with me? Yesterday also I told you 60%. Yesterday we have seen. Okay, 60% means what? 60 divided by 100. If the denominator is 100, then upper number means numerator number will gives us percentage. Here 20% means what? 20 divided by 100. But this 20% is increased in which number or which value? 34,000. That's why what we have to do? This is the total value. That's why we have to multiply to this ratio. Then what you will get? See, we will find out 0 0 0 0 will get cancelled. Then what will remain? 20 into 3 4 0. Then that is equal to 0 0, though 0 will remain as it is. 2 into 34. 2 into 4 8. 2 into 3 6. Means 6,800 rupees. 20% increased in 34,000 means what? How much amount is increased? 6,800 amount is going to increase. Means 20% increased value we got here, 6,800. Now what we will do? We are going to find out its what is the price now. Means now new amount we have to find out after increasing of 20%. Okay. Then new amount will be, the new amount will be, what will be the new amount? Try to understand what I am saying. What will be the new amount? Old price plus increased amount. Okay, old price plus increased amount और 20% increase amount, ऐसा भी तुम बोल सकते हो. 20% increased amount, 20% increased amount. Put values, what we are going to get. See, old price, what is the old price? Given here we have written 34,000 plus increased 20% increased amount 6,800. Add it, what we are going to get. See, okay, when we will add it, then we will get here 40,800. 40,800 rupees, 40,800. This will be the new amount after increasing of 20%. Do you understand what we have to do? How to find out the increased amount? Increased amount is found by using this formula. 20% increase means we have to first of all find out what is the increased value. Then we have to add into the given amount. Why we have to add? That is also very important. Look here because the 20% it has increased by 20%. Here increased amount is what? 20% amount is increased. That's why we have to add into the previous amount. Then we will get now today's price of that respective scooter. What is the today's price of that scooter after increasing 20% amount? The today's price of that respective scooter after increasing 20% amount is 40,800. Means if anyone want to purchase, then that person has to pay 40,800. This is regarding to the what? Increased. Okay, increased. Increase अगर होगा तो add करना है, अगर decrease होगा तो क्या करना है अभी देखेंगे. The next example is written, same example is there but only decreased amount is written over here. Look and try to understand. The price of scooter was rupees 34,000 last year. It has decreased by 5% this year. What is new price? Okay, means last year the scooter price was 34,000. Now that price is decreased this year by 5%. Then what will be the new amount? Same thing we have to follow. Okay, first of all we have to find out decreased amount, and that decreased amount we have to subtract from 34,000. Okay, because here what happened? Value is decreased. Solution given. What is given? The price of scooter. What is price of scooter? 34,000 rupees. 34,000. Got idea? Okay. It has decreased by 5%. It has decreased by 5%. Okay, 5% decreased in 34,000. That is equal to 5% decrease. Now look here, 5%. 5% means what? 5 divided by 100 into, we want to find out from what? 34,000. Total amount is what? 34,000. Got idea? Now when we will solve this, we will get the decreased amount. We will solve this. 0 0 will get cancelled, 0 0 will get cancelled. 5 into 340. Okay, multiply now. 5 into 0 0, 5 into 4 20, 0 remain 2, 5 3s are 15, plus 2 17, means what is the decreased amount? 1700, means 1700 also we can say. 1700 is the decreased amount from that 34,000. Then new price is equal to what? We have to write old price minus reduction. Old price minus reduction. Then new price is equal to, what is old price? 34,000 minus reduction 1700. When you will solve it, then what you will get? 34,000 minus 1700, we will get here answer 32,300. Try to understand what I said. 32,300. What is the decreased amount? 1700. That decreased amount we have reduced, or we have subtracted from that original price, or we can say old price. Then we got here 32,300 rupees will be the new price. Got idea? I hope so you got idea. Look here, first example. In the first example, scooter price was increased by 20%. Okay, first of all, we have found that 20% increase means how much amount is increased into that. We got here 6,600, and that amount we have added into the old price, and we got here 40,800. Means whenever we are finding the increased amount, that time we have to add. Means after increased amount, what we are getting, that will be the after addition. And when we are finding decreased amount, that what we have to do? Same procedure. First of all, we have found here, we got here 5% decrease, means how much amount is decreased? 1,700 rupees it decreased. And after that we got here reduction. After reduction we got here 32,300 rupees. Okay, in those both examples maybe you observed, here we have added 20% increased, and here what we have did? Here we have subtracted. Means when it is going to increase, means profit is there, and when it is going to decrease, means it is loss is there, and loss is always subtracted and profit is always added. I hope so you got idea about this point. Remaining points will continue in the next lecture, but now suppose anyone is having doubt about this point, then you can talk to me, no problem at all. You try to solve exercise also which is given regarding to this. In the exercise also like that examples are there, you try to solve those examples. Remaining points will continue in the next video. Thank you.